This is a dated kitchen cabinet. These were actually stained gray, so they look painted in the picture, but they're actually oak cabinets. And we start off by covering everything up. Notice the floors are covered, the cabinets are covered inside. You don't have to empty the cabinets for the most part. Drawers typically need to be emptied. This job is actually getting 2 coats of primer to fill in the oak grain, and then we start putting on 2 coats of finished lacquer. Very durable finish, better than the finish you typically have when the cabinets were brand new. You end up getting a nice lacquered finish that's factory grade, looking good. Then you end up cleaning up, putting everything back together, rehanging the doors, adjust them, put new bumpers on them so they close quietly. And this is typically a 3 to 4 day project depending on the size of your kitchen, but you get a nice fresh kitchen again, and as long as you like your cabinets, this is a great affordable way to go to give you a new kitchen look.